Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. I'm sorry for the background noise there is because of the air conditioning. We are in a heat wave and I have no choice unless I want to really be hot. So sorry for the background noise. Now, we wanted to talk about Windows 11 in this video because there's some rumors and some little things going on. A couple of Twitter users and also a post that was done and seen by a few on Instagram of some tech stuff would seem to show that Microsoft is maybe shifting a little bit its Windows 11 for the future, for when it's going to come out. And that shift is due to the fact that they're checking out what people are complaining about. And there's a lot of complaining in Windows 11 of different little things because, when you change the interface, it's normal that you do have people that will start telling you, well, this isn't good, this could be better, this should be better, and so on. And there's, of course, a lot of comments that go on with that. One of them would be a change in the start menu, including finally the real ability to remove the recommended section here. There is also some changes maybe in the settings app. Now, most of the posts are showing changes like that. We haven't seen any posts mentioning changes in the minimum requirements. But a lot of you are asking me if I think that the minimum requirements will be changed. I would say there's a good chance they will, because the effect of a huge number of people complaining about the minimum requirements might have an effect on Microsoft. Microsoft has often shown that when too many people complain, they back down and they change their decisions. So hang in there. If you are one of those that doesn't have the minimum requirement for the CPU generation, for example, stuff like that, or even TPM, who knows what could change over time. TPM will be used in different ways, and the next video I'm going to have is actually going to show you, or going to tell you what exactly why TPM wants to be something that Microsoft wants to make sure you have TPM 2.0, because there's several security features in Windows that will use this, and we will use the TPM 2.0 crypto key to enable security. So we'll see what's going to happen, but this definitely will not be what is final yet. Although this operating system is close to being finished, there's a lot of little things that are yet to be modified, to be changed. Already there are some things that are kind of changing because of that, and we'll see what comes next. A lot of people are annoyed at the right click that doesn't have, of course, the we're used to have the task manager the right click of the taskbar. So a lot of complaints about that also. One of the things also about the complaints is this taskbar. Right now, the taskbar in Windows 10, you can actually move it anywhere on the screen, which is impossible in Windows 11. Windows 11 does not allow you to change the taskbar position. It allows you to change the start menu position, bring it back to the left, but it doesn't doesn't let you change anything on the taskbar positioning. So that is something also that people are complaining. Even though most people keep Windows with their taskbar at the bottom, it's still something that some people use. Some people want it on the sides or on the top. The problem is it's not really, there's nothing to change that. So, taskbar alignment center, left, there's nothing more than that. So when you change the options, it just changes what the taskbar, where the start menu is going to be in the bottom, but it doesn't change anything there's no way to position the taskbar anywhere else right now. So these are all little things that people are complaining, and we'll see the modifications over time. And we're still, a few months off the official release, so they have time to tweak the interface and tweak the Windows 11 operating system for release eventually. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.